Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Welcome to another episode of our Christmas series. Guess what we're going to make today? We are going to make Leche Flan. A good Leche Flan is creamy, smooth, soft, yet firm enough to hold the shape of the Leche Flan llanera. And I'll share my secret how to do that. Now, let's make some Leche Flan. So here is what we call llanera. See, metal tins that are oval in shape, and this is what we use to make Leche Flan. Anyone can make it. You just need eggs, 2 kinds of milk, and sugar. That's it. Now, let's make some Leche Flan. Just put some sugar enough to cover the bottom of your llanera. Then over low heat, just wait until it caramelizes. Watch to the end of the video to learn the secret to my recipe. These are extra large eggs, so that's why I'm using just 9. I've seen some recipes that have from 6 to 10 to 12. Remember to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. And because we're not going to use the egg whites for the Leche Flan, I'm going to put it aside and then probably make some coconut macaroons. But that recipe will be for another day, okay? Now we add our evaporated milk to the egg yolks. Then we add our condensed milk. And I use condensed milk, not a condensed whitener, just to make the whole Leche Flan really creamy. You can use a spatula to scrape out the inside of the can. I use 2 bowls and a strainer to combine the mixture together. Just pass the mixture through the strainer, and I do this about 4 to 5 times. I know this is quite a bit, but it's not a lot of effort, so why not? This step will help to make the mixture smoother. If you notice, I didn't really beat the eggs because I don't want to make scrambled eggs. So I'll just keep passing it through the sieve to get it all mixed up. These are my 3 different sizes of llanera. So this is the larger one and medium one, and I have 2 baby ones. And then we're just going to pour our mixture. Is Leche Flan your favorite Filipino dessert? Let me know in the comments down below. Perhaps you're able to find a llanera with a cover like this one in the middle, or you can just cover it with foil. So I already pre-cut this. So you can use an electric steamer like this. I've had this for a long time, actually in the market for a new one. So I'm going to set this for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then that's it. The final tip or secret to my recipe: use 8 egg yolks, but make the 9th egg a whole egg. The added egg white helps to make the mixture firmer. And because you waited to the end to learn this secret, you get to see the final result too. Now let's taste the Leche Flan. It's creamy, soft, and sweet. Whenever there's Leche Flan in the house, it's definitely a special day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And remember to like and share this video.